Good morning. Just a little update on what I've been working on this week. I got my Roman holiday top done. What I did was I measured it. I wrote the measurements on this little tag, put it on the hanger, and that will end up in the closet where I keep all my tops waiting to be quilted. This way here I don't have to measure it again to know what size backing I needed or what size binding I needed. It's just all right there handy. So that's one thing. Then I got these kaleidoscope blocks, so all the centers of these kaleidoscope blocks sewn together. There are 6 of them. Supposed to be making placemats. However, I am not going to make placemats because I don't want placemats. I'm going to make some kind of small quilt that I can end up donating. And they went together pretty good. There's 6 of them. What I need to do, the next step, is to find my pieces. Okay, I got the black pieces here, and there will be one sewn onto each of the 4 corners to turn it into a square block. And then I'll have to see if they need some trimming after those are sewn on. They probably will, because the black looks like it's a little bit oversized. And with the kit came these 3 fabrics. I got a gold, which there's not a lot of, but I have enough green. I think what I'm going to do is put a border around each of the blocks with the green. I'll use the gold as cornerstones, and then between the green to bring it together, they gave a piece what the blocks were cut from, and I think I'll put these between each of the blocks. So that's the second project. Oh, and these are from it's a kaleidoscope. They sell pre-cut kaleidoscope kits and peat blocks and stuff. And the website is labfabrics.com, and I'll try to remember to put a link to their website in the description. And let's see, what else have I got? Somewhere. I've got all my little black and white squares sewn together and trimmed. My original plan of how to sew these together wasn't working. I had a whole bunch of them sewn. I ended up ripping them all apart and cutting some bigger black squares, marking the white squares in 2 different spots, and they sewed on right together. So I've got 80 of these done. The next step is to take the gray pieces, mark the 2 sides of the gray so I know where to put the black piece. And what I have to be real careful about is the black is supposed to be a mirror image of the white. So that, just as long as they get that part done right, they should go okay. And I've also been working on my little English paper piece hexagons. This is one I just finished recently. I need to take the papers out. And the next one I'm working on is going to have the blue in the centers, and they have, we could do it blue, and there'll be this red and blue print will go around each of those. So that's what I'm working. Those I work on when I'm out somewhere. That's it for right now. That's what I've been working on. Thanks for joining in, looking.